He says, how long did your dad live? He said, did I say he died? I said, Dad's 85 years old now. He plays golf once a week. Doctor said, that's fantastic. He said, that's great to hear. How about your granddad? How long did he live? He said, did I say he died? He said, Grandpa's 105. He said, you'll never guess. He's getting married. Doctor said, why would a man 105 want to get married? He said, did I say he wanted to?
Oh my God!
And we're live!
Hey, Sandra here.
And Lewis.
With First Class RV Adventures, and welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for taking the time to be part of our journey. We love it, and we love when you comment. So any comments, please put them below. And we're excited. Didn't we have a good week?
We got an excellent week here at the RV Super Show here in Tampa, Florida.
This was actually our second year attending, so we kind of knew what to expect. But this year, I feel like it was better than last, right? It was amazing because this time we weren't rushed. We weren't here just for 2 days. Last year, we only stayed for 2 nights. This year, we were so prepared. We knew that there was a lot to see, and 2 days just was not enough. So actually, we were able to cover the show as media for the FRBTA, which is the Florida RV Association, Trade Association, and that was amazing. So thank you to them for allowing us to cover the show because we were able to see a lot more this year. We were part of Industry Day. We were able to talk to some of these manufacturers that you don't really get the opportunity to see if you go to a regular dealership. I was very blown away. I learned this one company, StarCraft, they make about 26 per year. And that's mind-blowing because
most companies
are 15 per day, right?
They're 12 to 13
per day
from the bottom up.
So to hear that number was pretty mind-blowing, of 26 per year. I was like,
now
oh
they
my
are
God.
custom.
They are custom.
So that it's not like cookie cutter kind of
which is also
ordeal.
Nice. And they are they make them based on what you need. So if you have a family, if you need an office, and their craftsmanship is definitely, you can tell that they only do about 2 per month because it is very unique. They go all in as far as installation, and it's just really.
That's the beauty about coming to one of these shows.
Yes.
Man. You just get the more one-on-one. I mean, take for example Lippert. I mean, their customer service at the show is just phenomenal.
Amazing.
Literally, you could just ask them whatever question you had, and they could, be right there. You don't have to wait on the phone or anything like that to talk to them. So that was pretty cool.
That was because we've had really good experience with them, and it actually was cool because I've always dealt with them on the phone. When we first got our RV, we had an issue with our landing legs, and they actually goodwilled our landing legs in the front. We just had to pay for the labor, but that was pretty cool. That was our first experience with Lippert. We didn't know who they were, and then as time went on, we learned that Lippert, a lot of your parts on your RV actually come from Lippert components.
A lot.
A lot, yeah.
Almost everything.
So if you saw last year, we updated our sink and our faucet and did a review. That was so cool. And so many things. So this year we have new sofas. We literally just got, so look out for that video on our channel coming up soon.
And we're actually going to upgrade our landing legs with Lippert's hydraulic system. So we're super excited about that because even though the electric work, I'm looking for something a little bit faster. Because I get really jealous when I pull up next to somebody with those hydraulic lifts and they're automatic level, and I'm over here still trying to do math and geometry to figure out how to get mine level. So I'm super excited for those things.
And our rig is so heavy that I just think that hydraulic is going to make that much of a difference.
Yeah, we're 15.7 dry weight.
Yes.
So.
That's going to be cool. But anyways, we kind of got off topic. So with Lippert, their booth was awesome. There's so many booths and vendors at the RV show. There's so many.
Yeah, and you know,
so give yourself enough time to check them out and, you know, see
yeah,
what you
with this RV lifestyle, as you guys know, you're gonna tend to need some repairs sometimes, maybe some parts.
Maybe you want to upgrade your steps.
Maybe you want to upgrade.
We did that.
You know, and that's one of the beautiful things about these RV shows, that you can go there and get anything you could possibly need and get it right there direct. You don't have to get it shipped to you a lot of times.
Yeah.
So that's really nice.
Yeah, that is really cool. And something else about the show is there's a lot of entertainment. So you're going to get to see, I mean, everything from pirates to a man on stilts,
a robot.
And a robot. Oscar the robot, he was hilarious. I mean, you're going to get to see all of this.
A magician.
They even have a parade that happens with all the entertainers. There's an armadillo pulling a buggy, the original RV.
Yeah, look out for that.
And the ladies yodeling, and then there's a guy in the back with the horse. There's a one-man band. I mean, there's everything. So it gives it a really fun atmosphere. And this was last year and this year, so I know it'll be the same way next year.
And the entertainers weren't the same as last year either. I
just some of them.
Very few.
Yeah,
very few, because a lot of those people that I saw, I didn't see last year. So.
Yeah, I think maybe also we were there longer this time. So we got to see more of the entertainment. We got to see the parade. The other thing that I wanted to add was the camping. If you have the opportunity to bring your RV, definitely do it, because I mean, we were able to just get up in the morning and head out over there, come back when the kids were tired, walk the dog. You know, it is pet friendly, so if you have fur babies, you're more than welcome to bring them, you know, on a leash. Or we didn't take roads because he just can't go inside the RV.
I tried one time on the golf cart, and every time, you know, in the traffic in the show, there's a lot of people there. Yeah. So I was stop and going, and every time I would stop for a second, he would jump out. So
it's like, over here?
It was not a fun ride for neither one of us. So I took him back to the RV.
Poor guy. So if you have a good behaved fur baby,
you can take them with you.
You can take them with you, which is nice. And I mean, just have fun. It's such a fun show. There is so much to see, so don't stress yourself out. Make sure, like, if you're going next year, print out the map. Be ready. That way you're like, okay, I definitely want to go to this, this, and this. Be prepared to have questions, because if you're in the search for an RV, that is the place to get your questions answered, because you're going to find the big people.
The sales guy. I actually met the owner, the CEO of RV1. One of my friends, Ivan, he actually bought an Airstream during the show, and we went to the store to pick it up, and we got to meet the CEO, the COO, and they actually were having a grand opening. So, I mean, man, where can you do that? When can you do that? Actually sit down with the CEO and say, hey, man, thank you, you know,
exactly.
Or hey, man, this is my problem. So,
and the kids, and to kind of wrap this up, the kids had a blast. Our kids are a little RV obsessed. I mean, we started this lifetime when Mimi was 1, Julez was 3, so they were really little. It's kind of all, like, they love RVs, seriously. And they had a great time checking out the RVs. One of the days, Lewis wasn't there with me, and I just went with them, and so many RVs. We had a blast. They were actually mad because I wouldn't go in every single one, so that was funny, but they loved the kids zone. So if you have kids, Saturday and Sunday, and they did this last year, so I know they'll do it again next year, make sure you take time out to bring them to that. They have bounce house, a rock climbing wall. They had like wax hands, like what you could do at Madame Tussauds Wax Museum, and all this at no cost. This is all included.
That was nuts.
Yeah, and they could do their hands. Your parents could do their hands if they want. They gave them like the heart or the shape balloons, animal shapes. They face painting. Little Lewis. Julez was so excited because he was Spider-Man all day.
Oh, yeah.
And Mimi had like a pretty little butterfly. So the kids had such a blast. So make sure that you don't miss out on the kids zone. If you have kids, that is a really cool extra thing that they do, and they call it the kids zone. So I think that's about it. Make sure you're there next year. Don't miss out, guys. Even if you're not in search for an RV, go check it out. I had a bunch of ideas when we got back. I was like, oh, I want to do this, and I want to do little things that just will make my life simpler in the RV. So that was another cool thing, just for ideas and maybe some color patterns. He's in trouble. All right, guys. Sounds great.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Basically, what we put together is our highlights and you know, basically the things that you can do and the fun that you can have there at the RV show.
Yeah, and we did separate tours of certain RVs. We had quite a few requests, so just look out for those. They are coming out on our channel, and we're just doing those individuals, so they're nice and short, and it'll give you ideas, especially if you search for an RV. You will probably enjoy these. And we tried to do a big variety, so not just fifth wheels, which we have. We did a ton.
Class B's, C's, A's, really fancy diesel pushers like the Zephyr. Holy crap!
Yeah, we did. So we did a very
lot.
big variety Airstream, so you guys can check those out. And even if you're not searching for one of those, they're kind of fun to watch if you're RV obsessed like us. And thanks again for watching. And don't forget, my name is Sandra,
And I'm Luz.
with First Class RV Adventures, where we support your dreams. Bye, guys.
Hey, there's little guys down here. Excuse me, can I ask Daddy, can I shake their hands? Is it okay, Daddy?
Yeah.
Well, how about Daddy? Hey, Daddy, can you give me knuckles and show them it's okay? Daddy,
Look,
give me the
look,
fist bump. And you give me knuckles too? Nice to meet you. I'm Oscar the Robot. And are you the... Oh, wow, you two are like brother and sister. That's so cool. Hey, Daddy, can we take a picture with all of us looking at Daddy?
Yes.
Well, Daddy, we need to get over this way because there's a vehicle coming up behind you guys. Over here, over here, over here, over here.
Ready?
Okay, guys, stand right here next to me.
Here, come on.
Can you guys stand here? Because Daddy, the vehicle, we can wave at everybody in the train. You want to wave at everybody in the train?
Say bye. Say hi.
Hi, everybody. Please be careful. Thank you, everybody. Be careful. Don't you want to come back here later? We're talking about two buddies over here. Very cool. Very cool. Hey, man, don't try walking by now. Just right there. And take your knees out with that little walkway thing out there. You're doing a good wave. Okay, everybody wave. Hi, everybody up there. Right over here. All right. Senora, can you shake my hand? Senorita, dame la mano.
To advice.
Oh, very nice. Very cool. And sir, are you still narrating your own video?
Mistakes I observe.
He's narrating, okay.
I apply immediately.
Okay, he's talking to the camera. Guys, you want to be in somebody else's video? Because the guy behind you is still videotaping. Hey, dude, you can't get a picture of somebody else's kids. That's not cool, man. What are you doing?
I don't know.
I'm right here, man. What are you doing? Are you talking about me in front of my back?
This guy's funny, right?
No, I appreciate it, but can I ask a big favor?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, guys, I don't know if you noticed, but you see these guys right back there at RCP, they got cleaners, and I've got a spot that I need to get cleaned off. Would you mind helping me, Dad?
What up?
You guys use the cleaners on your...
Yeah. You gonna clean?
Oh, yeah, okay, very clean. Yeah, okay.
You gonna clean them
Hey
up?
guys, do you have a little sample thing you can like spray on me?
Spray 'em
No?
out?
No, nothing? Oh, okay.
Can't buzz spit shine them or something?
You're not going to spit on me, dude. No,
Come on. That's the best polish.
Okay, adios, mijo. Adios. Dame la mano, man. Okay, muchas gracias. Adios.
Yo.
Hey, Mia. Guys, you have fun today, okay? And make sure Daddy gets some good stuff here today. I gotta get back out of the way, okay?
Say bye.
Hey, and that's the guy stalking me now. Watch out, man. By the way, that's the guy. List or what?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, well, you know what? Look at my face. Do you see the black face that I've got here? That is made out of the same material that they used to make the shuttle hatch covers. Don't stick your finger up my nose. That was gross, man. You just stuck the magazine thing up my nose. Anyway, if I had had that good cleaner over there, yeah, the RCP cleaner, I wouldn't have the extra stuff on my face, man. I wish I'd done that then.
God.
All right, see you later, guys. Peace.
Look what he does. Oh, wow. Isn't that cool?
All right, here we go, buddy. Puncture the balloon again. Finger inside. Bubble rolls down. There's the bubble. Blow here.
Show me your soul. Baby, I'll show you mine. Show me your soul. Honey, it's way past time. How expensive do I have to be? Need I spell it out before you get it, baby? Show me your soul. And honey, I'll show you mine. I'll show you mine.
So over here, this is compliments of the fairgrounds. Is this cool? Are you guys excited? Hey, tell the camera you're excited. So the kids are gonna do these bouncy houses and they are super pumped, so let's go ahead. Go ahead, guys. Okay, you could go on that one first.
Baby, baby, you're so. And I will show you mine. Show me your soul. It's way past time. It's way past time. How expensive do I have to be? Need to spend it up before you get it, baby. Show me your soul. Baby, I'll show you.
We're gonna start any minute. It's not just for show. They sometimes do play them. One and a two and a no, see you later. Start with that one.
We ran into Jessica and Robert exploring the local life. Yeah, how cool. I was wandering around kind of lost with the kiddos, trying to find the golf cart, and then I bumped into them. Yep. So make sure you go check them out, their channel, Exploring the Local Life. And anything you want to say about the show? What do you think about the show?
It's big, it's awesome, everything's here.
Yeah, everything is here.
Glad that we can make it.
All right, guys, thank you.
All right,
Thank you.
see ya.
Bye.
Today is Friday at the RV show, the third day that it's been open to the public, and we found Mr. Don.
Hey, how you doing?
So cool, we love it. We love that we can bump into our friends, and Lewis is gone fishing actually, but at least we got to hang out and have a quick bite to eat. Say hi, kiddos. I think they might be a little done, but we're gonna do some more recording, and it was just so nice to see Don.
It was wonderful to see you on the way here.
Same here, it was awesome.
How you doing, huh?
That's awesome.